Welcome to Scale Modeling Videos. In today's video I will be doing an in-box review of the Airfix 1x72 Focke Wulf FW190 F-8/A-8. Rightio, let's get started. Let's have a look at the box art first. Very nice box art. Okay. Kit number is A02066. If you want to have more, if you want to look at more detail about this kit, please go look at www.scalemates.com. Put that kit number in the search bar, and it'll give you a history of the entire kit. Okay. Another look at our camouflage patterns there. Okay. A bit about the kit. I'm gonna leave it there so you can pause it if you want to read that. Okay, we've got 4 sprues, clear parts, decals, and instructions. Okay, let's have a look at fuselage first. Okay. So very nice details. The panel lines might be a bit thick, but you know, I don't really care about that. I think it helps highlight the aircraft. Okay. After all, this is a model. Okay, that looks like the cockpit tub. It's plain. Engine. Okay. Propeller. Wings. Actually, let's put it down here. Nice details. Cockpit tub. Pilot. Nicely detailed. Fuel tank. Wheels, weighted wheels. Raised detail. Recessed detail. The underside. Ribbing detail. Looks like weapons and other spare parts. Bombs. Clear parts, so you have 2 canopies. Very clear. Very clear. There is raised detail that will help with painting. Yes, raised detail on the front as well. decals. Very nice decals. Done by Cartograph, I'm guessing. Very nice. A lot of carrier film here, I think. But you can cut that out if you want. Instructions. Okay. You can pause these if you wish to read them. Two paint options. Paint option A. Paint option B. And stencil data. Oh, just look at that again. Yep. Okay, and stencil data. Alright, that's it for this review. I hope you guys got something out of it. To all my current subscribers, thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, okay?